Very good morning, students. Welcome to our online class from American Bridge International School. Alright, so are you ready for the class? Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, everyone, so now look at the whiteboard. Today is Monday, June 14 and 2021. Alright, so first session we're going to study Treehouse 3. Alright, so now teacher will summary the story on unit 9, the candy factory, for all of you. Alright, so teacher will do the story summary, okay, for all of you. It's like a reviewing. Okay, so now let's start. Story summary. Story summary. Main character. Okay, everyone, in our story, the candy factory, who is main character? The one who tells you the story. Who, everyone? Monty, right? Yes, Monty. Monty is the main character because he told us the story. Okay, main character, Monty. Characters. Everyone, so who are the characters in our story? The characters who played in our story. Who, everyone? Who are they? We have Kangaroo and Candy King. Alright? Kangaroo and the Candy King. Okay? Alright, setting. Setting is the place that the story happened. Alright? You understand? Setting is the place that the story was happening. Alright, where, everyone? Where is the story was happening? Can you tell teacher? Okay, inside of a candy factory. Did you remember, everyone? The story takes place inside of a candy factory. Okay, inside of a candy factory. Okay, so I hope that you remember. And now let's look at here. Plot. All right, this is plot. It is what happening in the story, the candy factory. All right, plot is what is happening in our story. Okay, so now teacher will read for all of you. All right, plot. Monty is inside a special candy factory working with the kangaroo workers. There's a special machine that can turn clothes into candy. Monty needs to operate the machine and make special candy so he can meet the Candy King. Alright, do you understand? And did you remember our story, everyone? Okay, so now teacher will read for you one more time. Alright, plot. Monty is inside a special candy factory working with the kangaroo workers. Okay, there's a special machine that can turn clothes into candy. Monty needs to operate the machine and make special candy so he can meet the Candy King. Alright, did you remember, everyone? Okay, so I hope that you remember our story, that Monty is inside the factory. Okay, he makes candy because he wants to meet the king. All right, so what is special about the machine, everyone? What is special about the machine? Yes, machine is special because it can turn clothes. All right, clothes here, everyone, clothes into candy. All right, it can turn the clothes here into candy. All right, so What are the 3 things that we have to do in order to have Monty? Did you remember, everyone? 3 things that we have to do in order to have Monties. Okay, so now let's open your book again on page here, alright? The first page in our story here, alright? 3 things that we can have Monty. First, we get the clothes, alright? Get the clothes. Yes, we already got the clothes. Make the candies, alright? We make the candies. We put clothes, we put coat, we put what else? Boots, okay? We put glasses. What else? We put jeans, alright, into the machine. We already put, and then we make the candy, alright? Here, number 2, we make the candy. And we met the Candy King, alright? At the end of our story, we can meet the Candy King because we can, yes, make a good candy. So we have chance to meet the king, alright? So I hope that you remember our story, okay? Okay, so now everyone, please open your book on page 115, alright? This, finish the story, alright? Finish the story. So on this page, we will study on the second session, alright? Okay, so now teacher would like to say goodbye and see you at the second session.